Ah, this one also I actually don't know. Oh, let's see. Oh, Roger Federer and Olympic. Oh, Olympic gold medals are actually made of silver. Interesting. Oh, cool, cool. I also learned something new. All right, awesome. I think that is all for. Yes, let's end the quiz. All right. So, in first place, we have City. Second place, we have helicopter, helicopter. And third one is hello, I think. Yeah, I sorry, Milo. Nice one, nice one, nice one. All right, awesome. Okay, cantik. All right, so we're done with our refresher session. So now I would like to pass the floor to Anis to conduct the session on numbers.
Alright, thank you, Avin, for a refresher session. Refreshing session. Okay, cool. Alright, so now let me share my screen first. Helicopter, helicopter. Alright, can you guys see my screen? Cool. Yeah, it's worked now. Alright, okay. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anis Adibah Izwani. Currently studying in a psychology, third year, from Faculty of Social Science. So one of the quotes that I really love to share with you guys is limit exists only in the mind. Actually, this word right, I put it on my desktop punya wallpaper so that I know that we can do whatever we want as long as we are willing to. So same goes with you guys. You guys are here is because of you guys willing to learn something new or something that can make you guys to learn more about an iPad. All right. Okay. Yeah. So I am one of the Apple teacher as well from class 2021. Same goes with Evan and also one of my friends, Afiq as well. But he's not here today. He's here yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So for those of you guys are joining our session yesterday, so he is also one of our members from Active Buddies. Yep. All right. Okay. So today I'll be covering a topic about manage your workflow with numbers. Okay. So why I'm using numbers, especially in business, because this is a program, one of the session for active UKM business startup session. So most of the time we are sharing a content about business lah. Business. Okay. So numbers is one of the most important thing when we are talking about business, because in business they won't grow if you don't have a very strong management team. Very strong because we need to record all of the money where they go. So this is where you can use for your workflow and also for management in your business, especially for those um, who have a small business and you don't want to spend money for any system. So this is um, one of the choices that you have to use for a business. All right. Okay. So let me continue. So okay. Before that. Oh. Okay. So just stay here. Okay. So what is numbers? So as you guys see, and for those of you guys who have numbers apps in your iPad or in your Mac or your iPhone, so you can go through it. It just seemed like I could not say that same as much, but lebih kurang sama with Excel and also Google Sheets. But this is more powerful than all of those management punya apps. Why? Because it can compile everything that you want in this numbers. Because You can put on the picture, you can type it as well, you can put graph, and also of course a table. Okay, so today I would like to share with you why numbers is the most powerful content when we are talking about workflow and also management. Alright, okay, so by using numbers also, you can enhance your charts and data because we also have a very nice features that you can use for numbers. Alright, okay, so let me show to you some of my creation by using numbers. Okay, yep, okay, so here, this is what I do for my numbers. First of course, in business, the most important thing is you have a BMC punya model. So this one is business model canvas. For those of you, maybe some of you guys are from FEP, of course you know what is BMC. Or I think I also belajar in keusahawanan punya subject. Yeah, about BMC as well. So in BMC, they have key partnership, key activities, key resources, budget cost, revenue stream, distribute channels, customer relationship, and also customer. So what I want to share with you, not um, not the important of BMC actually, but if you can see the differences here in here, right? Okay, this one it's not something yang from the table yang macam as we always see from others app kan. So this one I use it from object, from shapes, from shapes, and we can put it in our numbers. So it's very nice, and you can custom whatever you want in the numbers. Alright. Okay, so next one, what we have here. Okay, of course, we can make a table, and also here we also can format it. Whatever we want. So for example, as you can see now, here in the amount, right, on the total income that we have here, yang money in, we have 255. So this one is been doing it automatically. We just insert the formula, and then it can automatically add up all of your money in for your business, of course. Same goes with money out. It's the same thing. It can total up everything that you want once you set up your business punya ni lah table. Okay, and then here we also can add images in our numbers. Okay, so here I put my content planner in my numbers. It's very rare because you can compile everything in your numbers. This is something that I really love most of. Because or else before this I have to put only the link there, and it will go to some other page. But here it's different. You can put your image here. Alright, okay, so this is what I do. So this is for September. So I put the picture, what content that I want to post, and then I put straight away the caption as well. So it will be easier for you to check on it, which image that attract the most, because I have the content interaction and also profile activity as well. This one is for Instagram. Alright, okay, cool. So I proceed to this one. Of course, this one is monthly budget. This one, you don't have to think how you're going to make it, because we have a template in these numbers for you as a guideline for you to do this. Yep, it's very pretty easy, and you can compile everything in one pages only. Okay, and this is one of the best features that we have. This one is for monthly performance for employees. So you can use it for employees or for your content from Instagram and TikTok. So from me today, I would like to show you monthly performance from social media. And you also can put a rating on it. You can put the star there. It's very nice. It's very because it's different from others. Yep. And you can put on what went well, and also even better if. Alright, so settle for this one. what else we have here? So same goes with this one. Okay, as you can see just now, I did it here dekat atas ni. I differentiate it by monthly. So we have September, October, November, and December. And you can just duplicate it to a new pages. I will share with you later. So because this is just a picture. Alright, okay, so same goes with this one as well. Alright, okay, so before I go to share with you how we are going to make it and also some of the features that we have, let's play this video. This is what so this is what I'm talking just now about the rating. There's like a star. You can just choose how many rating that you want. It's very nice and it's very interactive for me because I was very excited when I learned these features at first. So I hope you guys are feel the same thing as me. Yeah. All right. Okay. So that is some of the features that we have in numbers. So now I'm going to teach you how we're going to make it. Okay. So first of all, go to numbers. Okay. So if you don't see your numbers, you can just type it up. Numbers here. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay, wait, need to wait for a while. I'm truly sorry what happens now. Okay, can I share my screen from my PC? Okay, wait, yeah. Alright, okay, can you guys see this? Alright, cool. So I'm going to share from my laptop here because I'm not sure why my iPad is not functioning. I need some time, so it's okay. It's a waste of time. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about just now about how I'm going to make this one. Okay, so this is very pretty easy. What you have to do is just so we have a new tab here. So you can go to this plus button. Okay, so they will turn out this one, but you don't want this one. You want to have this colorful BMC thingy. So you just delete it, and you can choose here. Okay, this is if you want to do the table. This is for charts. This one is for text box. This one we are going to use, which is shape. Okay, we go here, and we have some box here. Okay, so you can just put everywhere where you want. You can put it here, 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 and there. It's very nice. It's very interactive. I very love to use numbers. Okay, so as you can see here, it's black in color. We can change it, no problem. Okay, so we go to paint here, and you can choose what color you want. If you don't want this 6 color, you can go to color fields. Okay, we have orange, we have yellow. Let's choose yellow. I love yellow. Okay, so if you don't want one color, you also can make gradient fill. Yep, gradient fill like what I use for this one. I use gradient fill. Okay, so you can put it what shape you want. Okay, so for me, I put it like this, and then you can just copy and paste again. Yep. Okay, so I put it here. Another one be here. Oops. All right, cool. So another one would be here. Is it correct? Oh yeah. Okay, so we have another one here. Copy again and put it here. Put it here. Okay, so another one. This one. Okay, here. Okay, so last one would be dekat bawah. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, wait. So I put it here. Where is it? Okay. And one more here. All right, cool. So when you put it down, if you realize there's a white lines to make sure that our box is symmetry with the others. So like this, kan ada extra ni kan. So you can just follow the yellow line and it's the same one. Alright, okay, so we have done for the boxes. Now, you have to type it out whatever you want. So for this one, we have key partnership here. Okay, so we can straight away type it here. Key partnership, right? Okay, so if you see this one, it is at the center and you can change it. Where you want to change it, same with just now. You can go to paint, go to paint and you can choose this one. Here, yep, this one. Choose up here, or maybe you don't think that the color is not very nice, you can change it to like I choose pink. Alright, okay, so and I make it center. Okay, cool. So it's just the same thing as the other boxes. So you just have to type it out. You can straight away type it out. You don't have to go to type text box and make another one. So if you want to do this alternative, also can, but we have an easier way why we want to choose hardest way. Yeah. All right. Okay. So once you put it here, then you can type out what your key partnership. Okay. So maybe we have ice cream. Because yesterday punya content I'm talking about ice cream kan, business ice cream Malaysia. So that's what crossed my mind right now. Alright, okay, cool. Okay, so this is for BMC. You can do this. If you realize, right, dekat belakang ni, there's no boxes so that you can put anything straight away. Right? Okay, cool. I think that should be no question for here. But if you have any question, you can just straight away ask in the chat box. Right? Alright. Okay, cool. So now we are proceed to monthly punya tab. Okay. So here, you can rename it. Okay, so this one I change it to BMC1. Okay, so you can see here there's rename sheet, duplicate, or also delete sheet. So I choose to rename it as BMC1. Right. Okay, so you can just rename it whatever you want. Right. Okay, so this is what I do for monthly punya data. So I put on a date here. I put on the details here, the quantity, how many I bought, and also the amount, of course. And this one also, I can format it as well. This one, you can go to format and you choose what currency that we are using. So in Malaysia, we are using Malaysia ringgit, of course. Okay, so this one, I just put the total up. So they will total everything. So for example, if I put here, how much? I put 50. Oh. Okay, tu dia tukar jadi 305. Okay, so this definitely makes my life easier because I don't have to calculate one by one, of course. Alright. Okay, so this is very simple and very easy to use, but I would like to share with you how I did this one. Okay, so let we add another sheet. So yeah, okay, we can straight away use this one. Okay, I don't want this color because it's very boring, so I choose to use green color. Alright, okay, so same goes with this money in, date, details, quantity, and amount. So we can put it here, date, details, quantity, and amount. Alright, so if you don't want these extra punya boxes, you can click on E, right click, and delete column. Okay, or if you don't want to delete it, you can just hide the column here. So the sizing will follow your content lah. Okay, if you want it extra, you can just wait, where is it? Okay, so if you want to add another row here, you can click here. So dia akan tambah lah for dekat bawah. If you want to add another column here, you can just just the same technique, but you just click here. But if you want to add both column and row, you can choose this feature, this one yang dekat bucu ni. So you just tarik saja. So which one you want. So it's very easy for you to use. You don't have to go to here and click add label and stuff. No, it's very easy for you to use. Okay, and this one also you can just do how many that you want. That's the reason why they design like this, so that you don't have to do two works lah, which is you don't have to delete what boxes that you want. Instead, you can add what you want. So because we can optimize the usage of this sheet. Alright, this sheet. Alright, go. Okay, so same goes with money out. Same je. I just changed the color here because for me money in for red, right, macam something that give me lucky lah. So for this one macam money out, so I feel very sad. So that's why it's in red. But if you have any choices of color, you can just choose what color you want. Okay, so same goes with this one. Just use the same technique, but for a different function. Okay, so one thing that I like about numbers, about this table, is that you can have a gap here to make it easier for you to see. Yep, you don't have to make another sheet to differentiate the money in and money out. Yep. Alright, okay, so I'm going to proceed with this one for content planning that I mentioned just now, how I made this one. Alright, okay, so okay, nice. Okay, this one content planning. So here we have month, we have day, we have media, caption, content interaction, and also profile activity. So as you can see here, there's a lot of picture, and it definitely macam too much, right? So there's a features here that you can use, which is called toggle. Yeah, you can click on it and it disappears. But one thing that I can't remove is the pictures lah. The pictures is still there, but you can keep the data here. So then you can just add on whatever you want. So for example, if you want add another month here, right? Wait, so I need to expand first. Okay. So this is some of the difficulty if I change from iPad to desktop. Alright. Okay. So you can just add on another one. add on here, and you can put the toggle that you want. Right. Okay, it's very nice and it's very practical for you to use it. Okay. So the only problem is if you are putting the pictures in the table. Alright. Okay. So, I covered this one already, and then okay. So, yeah. This one, we have a freeze punya features. If you see this one, yeah, dekat date ni dia tak bergerak, so it will be easier for you to put it side by side to check on it lah. Alright. Okay. So next one, what we have here is this one that I mentioned earlier, because this is just a template that you can use it straight away, but you can change it here. Alright. Okay. So this one I will share with you how I'm going to make it. Here, sheet 1. Okay. What you have to do is just you go here. You can go to here. This is some of the difficulties as well. I'm truly sorry because my iPad is not functioning. Okay, so you can just go here, straight away here, and there's a table that you can choose, and you can edit it. Same goes with this one. Even though I already put it for quite a long time, but you can straight away edit it here. So for example, maybe you don't need all these 3, 6, 9 punya features, right? So you can choose what you want. Right, it's very easy, and it's easy for you to see, and also for others to see as well. Okay, so this one also automatically will together with this one, so you don't have to edit it one by one. Yeah. All right. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with this one, monthly punya performance. Monthly punya performance, this one kan yang I mentioned just now. Okay, so you can put whatever particular whatever you want, and then here is the rating. Okay. Okay. Why it's not functioning? This one. Okay. So if you don't want to press the stars, okay, if you don't want to press the star, then you can just type it out how much stars that you want. So for example, for TikTok, introduce each feature with a strong opening statement. So I only rate 2 stars. So it will straight to 2 stars. Actually, it can just tekan, but I'm not sure why. Okay, but it's okay. You can do it in another alternative. Okay, so yeah, this one also you can use in these numbers, which is I think in numbers only that we have this rating punya features. So it's very nice and it's very interactive for us to use. Okay, so the content that I would put it here is what went well, and also even better if. Yeah, for improvisation in the social media punya content. Okay, so same goes with this one. This one October also. So what I did, why I have the same way, is because as I just duplicate it. How you are going to duplicate it? You just right click and you can choose duplicate. Yep, so it's here, same one, but with a slightly different name. Alright. Okay, so same goes with November and December. You can just use the same template if you have a very concrete and full one for 1 month, and you can use it for another month. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's very easy for you and it's very simple. So there's a lot of things that we can share here. I think you guys should explore this one, because it's very nice, especially for those of you who are using who have a business, or you also can make this as one of your business. You can make a template for numbers and you can sell it. So for if I'm not second, now we have an Etsy. It is one of the website that selling digital punya content. So for example, if you are looking for digital planner, if you are looking for what else, for some of the templates that you are going to use in the iPad or in the digital thingy, so you can sell this one in the Etsy as well. Yep. Alright, okay, so yep, okay, so this is the table that I mentioned before, and we have a text here. This text also, you can put it everywhere you want. You can put it here. So for example, what to-do list, what research market, and go to grocery and buy ingredients to make ice cream. Yep. So you can put it everywhere you want, or you can mention your friend as well. So this one is like macam notes lah for you. So you don't have to. Some of it you have to put it in your books. Some of them you have to compile it in your laptop. But in numbers, you can compile everything all together at one place. That's what interesting about numbers. So same goes with this one. You can choose a lot of basic punya shapes here. We have geometry, we have some object here, we have chef, crown, watches, a diamond. You can put anything to make it more interesting. So we have animal as well. So maybe we can choose one. Here, we choose horse. Okay, so tak adalah boring sangat you punya management content tu. So adalah animation yang seronok sikit. You can change the colour as well. Horse in pink. Looks good. Okay, so you can put anything here, or you can put here as well. So just up to you, up to your creativity, where you want to put it, and with the suitability lah. Alright. Okay, so we have some more here. We have education, we have art, science. Maybe if you are do business in what? Okay, you are open up a restaurant, so maybe you want to put some lemonade here, so just for fun. All right, here. Nice one. Okay, so what we have here, we have transportation, we have car, we have some of the occupation, stethoscope. Yeah, there's a lot of shapes that you can put it together in the numbers. Okay, and we also, as I mentioned before, we can choose an image to add to the spreadsheet. Yep. Okay, so you can take an image, or you can choose from image gallery. Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, maybe we can choose one. What picture? Okay, just my picture lah, because this is the only picture that I have. I'm too sorry. Okay, so yeah, okay. You can put a picture here, or maybe you can do a organization punya chart here. Yeah. Okay, you can do organization chart here straight away. Okay, put another picture of your HR or your media punya team, your marketing team straight away. You don't have to do in others punya apps. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so that one is for image, and another one would be insert a comment. So yeah, this one is also like macam note taking lah. Apa we call it, sticky note. Yeah, sticky note. You put in here call to action. First one, Avi need to update price, ice cream market price. So something like this lah. And you can also delete, or you can just put it here. Alright, okay, so this one also you can put anywhere that you want. That is what one interesting thing about numbers. There's no specific way how you're going to do, but it depends 100% on your creativity, how you are going to manage your workflow. So it depends on you. If you are someone who loves creativity, you love a lot of pictures, a lot of animation. So this number is for you to release all your creativity here, to make it not boring but interesting to work on it. Alright, okay, so I deleted my picture as well. Okay, so I think that's all for numbers. And another thing that interesting about numbers is same goes with the other features in Apple, where it's very friendly user, where you can collab with anyone that you want. So what you have to do is you just choose this icon yang ada gambar orang ni. So you tekan and you can send link to them. Send link, and then once they accept it, they also can put all the data here. So you don't have to download it and then send to them. Then they have to update. Then you have to delete your old punya numbers. No, it is very friendly user, and it definitely can save your time. Yep. So that is one of the interesting thing about numbers. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all from me. Maybe one thing that I just want to share with you. I'm sharing with you guys using my laptop right now, and interestingly, I'm not a MacBook user. I'm just an iPad user and iPhone user. So you can use your Apple punya features even though you don't have any devices. As long as you have an iCloud punya what? iCloud punya account. Yep, iCloud punya account. As long as you have iCloud account, then you can just use it straight away. So yeah, if you think that if you don't have any Apple punya devices and you think macam I tak boleh lah buat, no, it's a no. You can use all of the features on your laptop as well. Okay, alright, so I think I've covered everything already. So if you guys have any question, then I can straight away ask in the chat box. Alright, okay, so I pass it back to Avin.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, sure. Can.
All right, so awesome. Thanks a lot, audience, for your insightful session on numbers. So for everyone's information, this is the last product knowledge workshop that we'll be conducting officially. Not to worry for those of you who will be proceeding into the proposal submission stage. And those of you who are new as well, right? We also encourage you to join and submit your proposals with the randomly assigned teams. If you're worried if it's random, it's because MCO, you don't have much friends. We're trying to foster some network during this tough time, so you guys have a better network once you guys graduate and those kind of things. So our team will be contacting, I think, each and every one of you to get to kind of finalize the grouping by, I hope, by the end of this week, and also the proposal format, which is highly going to be in a format called the business model canvas. Okay, so and the contents of what needs to be put in the business model canvas, semua tu guideline kita akan cuba hantar by the end of this week. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else that I need to say, other than thank you a lot for joining us for these past 2 weeks. It has been a very tough time to actually get the sessions on the road because of a lot of challenges, right? So, but thanks a lot everyone for joining. So before we part ways, for the time being, we would like to take a group photo, and then just for documentation purposes. And if you guys, once you guys submit proposal and all that, the one don't worry, we will give you in-depth classes on how to actually use it The one all will be organized as we go along. But the thing that we want to get out of everyone by this semester is the proposal, the business proposal. Because in this project, it's not about the product, it's about how you bring up your business. Okay, so we encourage everyone to open their cameras as we take a group photo, and then we can dismiss.